We were $80,000 apart. Rob Wilson with SouthTampaTeardowns.com. When we initially made our offer on this property, I think we were about $80,000 away from what the seller originally wanted. Because, of course, everybody's got an opinion about what properties are worth, what your lot might be worth as a rehab, what it might be worth as a teardown. So this is one of the reasons we specialize in working with families that have older, smaller homes in South Tampa that are probably going to be teardowns, because what we do on a regular basis, and you can see all this at SouthTampaTeardowns.com, is we collect data from builders that shows what they're paying for lots. We collect that information, we post it online, and in this case, we shared it with this family, and they actually had an agent that was working with them, and we shared it with the family so they knew, look, this is what the prices are in your neighborhood if you want to sell to a builder. Now, if the house is in good shape, if it's got a lot of square footage, it might very well sell for more, but these are the comparable sales that we know have sold to builders. So that's what we shared with this seller. Our buyer did come up a little, but the seller came down a lot, and they were comfortable doing so because we were transparent. We showed them what was going on in the market, so they were educated and they were able to make a good decision and sell us their property down here south of Gandy. If you have an older, smaller home in South Tampa, if you're looking to get a cash offer from a builder, we can help, and we'll be happy to show you what lots are selling for in the area. I'm Rob Wilson. I'm with SouthTampaTeardowns.com. You can request your offer online, or you can call me at 813-784-4199. We can get you an offer, we can show you comparable sales, or just help your family make a decision to sell your property at SouthTampaTeardowns.com. Thanks.